that, Dev?
Yeah, I have it on.
That was wait. Oh god. That was super high. Like Jesus.
It's recording right now.
Recording?
Yeah.
Dev, you should come out. You should come out here. Look to the right. There's fireworks over here too.
Unfortunately, I can't upload longer videos because I have to put a phone number on YouTube because YouTube's policy. I don't like it.
Hey, Dev.
What?
Guess what?
What?
If you look over here, there's fireworks too. To the right, though.
Oh.
Seriously, Dev, you should look to the right instead of the left.
I have a screen in the way. I can't put my tablet out there. And plus, I might drop it and lose it.
You can sit on I'm sitting on the I ate too much hot wings today.
Did you just gag?
Yep, I gagged.
It sounded like a fake gag. I can't hear.
Oh no.
I could. Oh my god. I could actually see it on every. I can actually hear the firework launching now before it explodes. Oh my god. Jeez.
What is that noise?
That's the fireworks deploying at night. Or launching up in the sky. That's what the sound is. Huh?
What is that noise that comes out? That noise, Dad?
What, that tiny little pop?
Yes.
That's when the fireworks are about to launch actually. Or when they get launched in
look in the back.
What is even happening?
It's fireworks day for us.
I'm pretty sure those fireworks are probably from yesterday. Because it was way louder yesterday than it was today, or tonight actually. Even though it's literally 10:15 right, or 9:15 right now. Well, my tablet says 9:13 because it's kind of behind. It's kind of a few minutes behind, though, but it's fine. I'm surprised my camera's actually picking up all the fireworks though, even though it can't even see anything because it's pretty much pitch black outside. This thing. Ah, God, it's bright. Ow. If I had night vision on my camera, that would be a really good thing right now.
Dad, we should look in the back. Dad.
What?
We should look in the back.
Why?
In the back now. You can hear it, kind of.
I can hear explosions still. I can't tell if they're illegal fireworks or legal fireworks. I can't tell. Wait, what?
They're illegal ones now.
What? Because wait, are they saying that the big ones are illegal but the small ones are fine?
Yes.
That doesn't really make any sense. That sounds kind of stupid that the government just makes fireworks illegal now. That doesn't make any sense. Seriously, I think they forgot that this is America. Okay. Oh God, I've remembered that song. That has the same words. The only lyrics I remember is "This is America." Don't catch you slipping out. That's the only words I remember. I don't know why. Except that song's probably copyrighted, so I really shouldn't be singing it right now. I'm gonna upload this to YouTube, so what's the point?
No.
No!
No.
You want to see some fireworks? No! Do you want to see? What?
I just saw that big one. It was over there.
Devil's Deep.
Yay.
I see fireflies, but my camera sadly can't pick it up because it's so pitch black outside. Plus, they're not really that bright.
Damn, I saw that.
I heard that.
I saw it, though.
I didn't really see it because there's so many trees around.
I saw the logo, Dad. That's it.
I just burped. What? Okay.
Come on, Dad. I guess.
I just zoomed in on that dude's face in the TV.
Oh, Jesus! What's that? Wait. Come on, record. You be my cameraman.
I'm literally outside. Why does it smell like barbecue? It smells like spicy barbecue. It doesn't really smell that good. It smells like smoke over here.
It's like they did it. I'm over here, nigga. No, not over here. Come on,
Are we seriously about to go all the way out there?
Come on, cameraman. I got you.
Okay.
Come on, man. You be my cameraman. Also,
Why are we
guys.
just going random places around the house? I don't understand.
What do you say? What's up, guys? Today. I don't know.
No, I'm already at 5 minutes in the video. It's too late.
Well, you still can say it though. Come on, my dude. Hey, Max. Good boy.
It's a statue dog. It's not real. Ow. I don't even know if I could even see better because this camera doesn't really pick up anything.
Well, don't worry.
Besides that street light.
When the fireworks hits, you'll see that one go up. Just hear them first. Gotta wait for the big one. That little.
I wonder if this camera can record 1 hour instead of 21 minutes. I really like to know.
Well. Oh! Right there. Come on. You gotta see closer.
That was so loud.
Huh?
I almost dropped.
Everywhere now.
I almost dropped my camera.
Well, be careful. Just hold two hands. Yeah, there you go. Just wait, because we gotta. Oh, there's ones over there.
I'm gonna sit down.
You sit down? Sit down then. I'll stand.
Ugh.
Hey, baby. Hey. I'm sorry I had to wake you up, honey. No, it's fine.
Now you
It's
do
fine.
realize that no one.
I know, Devin. There's no one there. We get it. Here's the balloons. There's no balloon, mommy. It's fireworks all the time. Why now? That's because some people don't celebrate it. That's why. Out in this neighborhood,
No.
some people.
I'm doing the resting bitch face over here.
Some people don't celebrate it, so they just do it now. Why? You missed it. Some people were at work and be like, "Oh, god damn it, it's over, damn it." Then be like, "There you go." The big ones are loud. Yeah, the big ones are loud as hell.
China.
China vagina. No, I was kidding.
Okay.
Oh man, be like, I gotta do everything because
I gotta do everything. I'm dying, man, over here. Oh. Me and the boys.
looking for beasts.
Well, at 9 p.m. it's not even 2 a.m. because if it was 2 a.m. the sun would just. Okay, that cloud literally looks. I don't know if my camera can pick that up, but that cloud literally looks like a freaking head. Jeez.
It's moving.
What's moving?
The fire went up with it. Oh, come on, nigga.
I saw the light.
There's more. Jesus.
Help us.
We survived. We're surrounded by fireworks from our neighborhood this time now.
Wait, if YouTube wants you to make a phone number, does it mean that they actually can call you at any time?
Yeah, just in case you have any problems with YouTube or like stuff. Why?
How am I supposed to upload this video if it's going to be 8 minutes long? Because I don't think they'll let me upload a video this long, I'm pretty
Don't
sure.
worry, you just save it. If you can't upload it and save it, that's what I would do.
Oh.
To give you memories back. So when you
Get older?
So when you come back here, you'll get memories.
I mean, I'm already 14, going on 15, so I guess I could use it as a memory when I get...
Oh no.
Oh, no.
That turned me on. Oh my god.
I don't know if the camera's probably going to make
Hey,
this...
how about you go over there? I'll stay from here.
I don't know if the camera's probably going to make the sound even longer than it was, because that
Go
sound...
up the hill, though. You'll see it better, probably.
My TV's already on.
Yeah, just go up the hill. I'll stay here to see fireworks.
I'm pretty sure sound probably travels faster in real life than it does on camera. Because I've seen a lot of firework videos. Where you go? Okay. Outside at night with a camera, I don't understand that's even... Whoa. Oh my Jesus.